do, YouTube? This is the one, the only Kid Onyx, aka KO, coming at you with another video. And today we are installing the side skirt on the F82 BMW M4. I'm gonna go ahead and claim this one. This should be a very simple install. Look, all we gotta do is screw up into the car. Mod complete. This is an easy one. This is easy money. All right, first things first, I'm gonna figure out like which piece goes on this side. I'm gonna assume it gets thicker towards the back. This is gonna go under the car, so I'm pretty sure that goes here. This goes to the other side, so let's get this out the way. Let's see what we have going on. Yeah, pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna grab some tape, try and hold it in place while I get the vision. Where is my tape? Tape. Can he get off? I don't wanna rip your little legs off. Damn, that's tough. Yay, we did it. If you was a roach, I would've had to do you in, but you're a beetle. You know what? As I'm doing this, I'm kinda thinking that I'm not gonna have enough clearance to drill. So, we're gonna have to jack it up. Now, if you don't know, BMW has these little specialty pucks that you need to put under the jack points. Super annoying, but it is what it is. I don't know why I jacked this up at this angle, just to make this a little bit harder. Whatever, we'll still get it done. Everything looks good. Whoa. All right, so we're just gonna drill a hole. I hope there's not like electronics right there. That's kind of worrisome, but I say we send it. Screw this in. Oh, so pretty. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. We might need some double-sided sticky tape. That right there is flimsy. We tighten it a little bit more. Granted, it's only one screw, but yeah, that's in there. Okay. I don't know. It should get more stable. We'll see. Okay, that feels a lot more sturdy. I think we'll be all right. All right, so far so good. I'm gonna jack up the front of the car and continue the process. All right, finishing up these last few screws. All right. And there she is, ladies and gents. All right, so time for some lessons learned. I am gonna come back and redo it. Two reasons. One, the fitment ended up being a little bit off. If you can see, there's a little bit of a gap. Call me a perfectionist, but I'm gonna just screw a slightly bigger hole in the lip, put a washer on the back end, and scoot it down to where it needs to be. Hopefully that made sense. If you're doing this, I recommend that you start from the front first, just to make sure that that's right. I think that fitment is more important than in the back. Like, I could see that from a mile away. That ain't supposed to be like that. Yeah, so do the front first, get that right, and then the back will end up how it ends up. And also, I think the double-sided tape on this guy's kind of necessary. It's on there, it's not going anywhere. It has a little bit too much play for me. And that just feels kind of cheap. Yeah, that'll be like one day. It's not a pressing issue. But I'm gonna probably revisit this, but for right now, I'm loving the way it looks. All right, man, so I flipped her around. I got the other side done. As you can see in the front, I prioritized getting this fitment right. And in the back, it pokes out just a little bit, ever so slightly, but I'd rather that happen in back here than in the front. I gotta give her a bath, probably do that tomorrow. I'm about to go right around town for no reason because I'm just in a great mood. While I go do that, y'all enjoy this B-roll. It's KO, I'm out.